Hi, I'm part of the Margay Project in Panama. This short video is basically to tell you what we're doing over there, to try to introduce to what we're doing actually as part of the Margay Project. Firstly, it's not all about the margay. Although the margay is our target species, it's as much about all the other understudied, overlooked animals that exist basically nocturnally and arboreally in the rainforest. This is a group that's really understudied. Obviously, studying nocturnal arboreal animals in the rainforest, we're going to have to spend some time setting the camera equipment up and the platforms which to observe these. But this brief introduction video is going to show you what we're dealing with, what we deal with on a daily basis. So along the way, we're going to have technical challenges, which is using the equipment, but we're going to get some absolute fantastic views from up there, which we want to show you. It's a real eye-opener to be up there in the top canopy of the rainforest in Panama. Obviously, we're going to be environmentally challenged. You know, this is a stream we cross twice a day, normally daily, but conditions change to this. This is the same river 2 days later. So we've got to make a plan. You know, things like this happen, it interrupts our science, but we've got to make a plan. But most of the time we're going to be wandering around in the rainforest. It's going to be wet, but not too wet. On a daily basis, wandering around trying to find suitable spots to put the cameras and to climb. But climbing is going to be daily because we're going to be after nocturnal arboreal mammals. So we're going to be either climbing straight up like this, or if we're lucky, sometimes it's against a tree like this, which makes it a little bit easier, to be honest, mentally. But whatever happens, this is the type of view we're going to get. It's a realm not many people get up to see, which we're very privileged to see. We're going to be setting cameras up in the trees and on the ground to check for activity, and we're going to be setting tree stands. From these we can do our nocturnal surveys. Paths that are clear during the day are not so clear at night. It's very different walking in the rainforest at night. You've got to be very careful where you're standing. There's a lot of nocturnal snakes, but also it's different. The sounds are amplified. It's eerie. Climbing becomes very different. I'm gonna let the sound go on this, and so you see Lucy getting up to one of the chairs, one of the seats here. Now remember that this chair's sitting at from 30 to 60 feet from the ground.
So I'm up on the chair. I'm just unclipping from my feet from the rope. Get myself. Sorted.
And it's surprising that after you've been up there for a few hours, you actually forget that you are sometimes 60 feet off the floor. You're attached by ropes all the time, but you still, in your head, still forget that fact.
Take the night vision binoculars, which we don't use so much. Get them set up ready when we do.
Of course, in the dark, we have to meet each other, rendezvous at the bivouac spot and change over. Even find each other in the dark can be sometimes a little bit challenging and different.
Hello. How was it?
It's quiet. It's a beautiful night.
Yeah. Did you see anything?
Some arboreal rodents.
Yeah.
Lots of bats.
Yeah.
It's just so quiet. Even the porcupine's not been out.
Oh,
There's a lot of owls.
Maybe it'll come out later. Perhaps I'll have some more luck. Okay, so it's 6 o'clock in the morning. The howlers are just waking up.
So that was a short video on what we're doing as part of the Margay Project in Panama. We're going to bring you more videos in the future on equipment, so things like the camera traps, the camera trap mounts, how to build a camera trap mount cheaply, the thermals, monocular and binocular, night vision, you know, what equipment we're using, why we're using it, what works for us, what doesn't work for us. It might be of use to you, an interest to you. The other thing we're going to obviously bring you is more wildlife videos of what we're actually seeing and documenting. The other thing we want to bring you is our life as researchers in the rainforest. What's the good parts? What are the bad bits, really, at the end of the day?